Hey guys, welcome back to a new one, and today we learn how to watch or how to see all-time search history on TikTok app. It's very simple and the settings are very easy. But first of all, I request all of you just do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more technical and how-to contents. You need to just open your TikTok app, then you need to click on the right bottom corner your profile icon. Alright, once you click on your profile, uh, it's very simple. You need to, once you click on your profile, then you need to just go on top right three bars, click here, then you need to choose settings and privacy. Okay, and here you need to click on activity center because you want to track or you want to see all time this search history whatever you searched on TikTok app. So after clicking activity center, you need to click on the third option, search history. Once you clicked here, you can find out all the searches that you searched on your TikTok app. It's very simple and quite easy. I hope so the short tutorial is very helpful for you. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye. Best of luck.